Welcome to Physical Sciences video brought to you by Simplifying School. In this video, we will look at elastic and inelastic collisions. What is the difference between an elastic and an inelastic collision? The difference between them is the loss or the conservation of energy. If kinetic energy is conserved, it is an elastic collision, and if kinetic energy is lost, then it is an inelastic collision. In the case where kinetic energy is lost, it is converted into some other form of energy, for example sound or heat, any other type of energy. If objects stick together, then a collision is perfectly inelastic. If objects don't stick together, then we need to go and check whether the total kinetic energy before and the total kinetic energy after the collision is equal or not, to determine whether it is a conservation or a loss of energy that took place. The kinetic energy from all the objects in the collision must be taken into consideration to find total kinetic energy. So for the total kinetic energy before, we'll say half m1i v1i squared plus a half m2i v2i squared. And the total kinetic energy after would be a half m1f v1f squared plus a half m2f v2f squared. Depending on whether these two are the same or not, we will know whether the collision between the two objects are inelastic or elastic. Now that we know the difference between elastic and inelastic collisions, why not share this video with everyone in your class and subscribe to this channel for more videos covering topics you are studying.